What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant, and welcome to the CryptoFix recap presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell to be reminded when we drop new videos. Let's begin. Why did Bitcoin drop? Analyst points 5 potential reasons according to Cointelegraph.com. Elon Musk, SpaceX reportedly selling its Bitcoin. Holding the bankruptcy of Chinese property giant and fears of interest rate hikes have been among the theories rise as to Bitcoin's freak price dip. On August 18th, around 9:35 p.m. UTC time, the price of Bitcoin suddenly plummeted over 8% in a span of 10 minutes, taking with its wider cryptocurrency market, leaving many in the crypto community scratching their head. While there appears to be no coincidence as to why the market suddenly dropped, several crypto market analysts have shared their initial theories with Cointelegraph. Whenever you have a big name in the industry selling Bitcoin, especially someone as influential as Elon Musk, it will put the price under pressure. This will put the sudden price a drop around 2.5 hours after the report was published online. The second reason, government bond yields. Tina Tang, a market analyst from CMC Markets, shared a different opinion looking into the recent rise into government bond yields as the root cause behind the sell-off. Tang explained that increasing bond yields typically shows a reduction in liquidating for the broader market. This could be the primary reason that cryptocurrency sank, she said. Additionally, Tang said that while the Evergrande crisis could have been an indirect and cause on the Bitcoin price, she didn't believe that it was among the root cause of the decline. This has been more of an impact on sentiment towards the Chinese economy and investors, she explained. The third reason, Chinese yen still a risk to Bitcoin. However, while Tang disagreed the Evergrande crisis as a major reason for the Bitcoin price swing, Matrix Port head of research Marquise, I'm gonna butcher the last name, Thielen, claimed the risk of a Chinese yen devaluation may have played a significant role in the sell-off. The biggest marker of risk is a potential devaluation of the Chinese yen, which is traded at the weakest level since 2007. In August 2015, when China devalued the yen for the last time, Bitcoin prices declined by 23%. During the 2 weeks following the devaluation, before a more meaningful rally started, Bitcoin finished the year at plus 59% from the level of the devaluation. Let us know in the comments what you think. Do you think that these reasons why Bitcoin has been dropping in price? Do you believe that Elon Musk selling off for SpaceX will drop the price? In our second story, according to CoinDesk.com, Bitcoin dreams are coming true in Argentina and Turkey right before the volatility in digital assets late last week and the breakout of Bitcoin to the downside due to the rise of interest rates and low market. Javier, my butcher last name, Milei, made global news by unexpected winning the Argentina primary election, a libertarian candidate and member of the, I'm gonna butcher this party name, I do apologize to all the Argentinians out there, La Liberated Avazane Party. Oh my gosh. Milei is a Bitcoin advocate, saying it represents the return of money to its original creator. He also calls for the downfall of the country's central bank, which he says it's a scam by which politicians cheat the good people with inflationary taxes. It's unsurprising that a candidate in a country infamous for inflation, currently estimated above 100% annually, will have a critical view of the central bank. It does raise questions broadly about the global experience for cryptocurrency holders. I mean, Bitcoin's for everyone. Don't you think? Let us know in the comments. In BT Miner news, make sure you check out the unboxing of the Ice River KS0 and KS1 videos that's available now on this channel. We have a used Antminer S19J Pro 100 terahash for only $1,500. That's included shipping with that price point. We have a new Bitcoin Antminer available for pre-order, the S19K Pro hash rate 120 terahash. For more information, contact us at 813-820-0668. This is your man Ant with the CryptoFix recap presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. Until next time, happy mining.